Meaning of enlist.
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 Enlist. The word enlist means to join or register oneself for a particular task, role, or cause, usually voluntarily. When someone enlists, they commit themselves to serving or participating in a particular group or organization. This could include enlisting in the military, enlisting in a political campaign, or enlisting in a volunteer organization. The result of enlisting is that the person becomes an active participant in the chosen cause, agreeing to carry out responsibilities and duties assigned to them, and working towards the goals of the organization or group they have joined.